Well, well, look who found.
Check, this is Charles. Just thought I'd give you a heads up. There's a guy down there, a bad guy. So, yeah. Good luck. Hey, good job there. Oh, so we should probably look for something incriminating. Something that we can use to prove that they're criminals, you know? I mean, the whole point of this operation.
Alright, gentlemen, we've been tasked with developing new weapons for the clan. Any ideas?
I was kind of thinking.
Right, so if we go up to 3 caliber... Hey, you there. What do you think you're doing? It's Smith, right? What are you doing here, mate? Your wife's just gone into labour. Take that escape pod behind you. It'll take you right to the hospital. Go ahead. Don't worry. I'll tell the chief. No, we can't do that. Why not, man? You do realise how much a solid gold cannon would weigh, don't you? Dude, we totally got enough power. What do you think, man? Well, I'm still kind of new here, so I'm not really sure what to say.
Oh, hey, you see that record sign? Where it says records? That'd probably be a good place to look, right? Let me just, help you get across that gap.
Huh?
Alright, here it comes.
Okay, press
I don't think that guy knows how to open the door. Yeah, why don't you just let me take care of this?
Understands this. Yeah. Oh man, I remember this. Good thing nobody knows about this or we'd be in a lot of trouble.
Oh man, that duck just flew right into the propeller. Oh, what a mess.
Oh man, I remember this. Good thing nobody knows about this or we'd be in a lot of trouble. Falcon! Oh man, I remember this. Good thing nobody knows about this or we'd be in a lot of trouble. Oh, hello, Mr. Spider.
Alright, you got some evidence. Oh, wait. There's no way you're getting through there. Lots of guys, and there's lots of guns. That's all I'm gonna say. It looks like you can get around if you go through that air duct. Alright, I've hacked into their power grid. What do you want me to do? Okay, shutting down the power now. Alright, I've hacked into their power grid. What do you want me to do? Okay, I'll reroute the power to a random room, that's fine. No! Alright, Henry, you're almost there. I'm right outside, so just open the bay doors, and I'll, get you on the chopper.
Hey, what are you doing? Yeah, we got a situation down in the cargo bay.
Psst. Hey, there's a button on your earpiece. You should press it.
What's going